Welcome to today's video. We're going to explore the restoration process of an old car, where the chassis has rotted and several parts around it are rusted. This will definitely be a big challenge, but it's also promising to bring this car back to life in an impressive way. Would you like to add any details about the repair process? First, the car is brought into the workshop to begin the disassembly process. Rusted parts like the doors, chassis frame, and side panels must be removed immediately. This step not only helps get rid of unsightly rust, but also gives the technician a full picture of the car's actual condition. The process requires careful attention to detail, as even the smallest components affected by rust must be handled with care to preserve any reusable parts. As the parts are removed, the true extent of the vehicle's deterioration becomes apparent, revealing the severity of the damage. Specialized tools are used to detach rusted metal sheets, ensuring that salvageable areas remain intact. Once the main rusted components are removed, the cleaning and smoothing process begins. Powerful rust removal machines are deployed to strip away the oxidized layers, restoring the metal surfaces to their original shine. This phase is crucial because if the rust isn't fairly eliminated, it can come back and ruin the entire restoration effort. With everything cleaned and prepared, the car is now ready to move into the full repair and restoration phase. The rusted parts of the car are meticulously handled by completely cutting them away, leaving no trace of corrosion. The technician uses cutting machines and professional tools to precisely remove each damaged metal section. This is a highly crucial step because leaving behind any rust can jeopardize the car's entire structural integrity later on. To ensure perfection, each rusted detail is carefully cut out with precision, leaving behind clean and smooth metal surfaces ready for restoration. This process not only requires meticulous attention, but also demands extensive experience and skill, as any mistakes could lead to improper welding or structural issues down the road. Next, new steel pieces are measured and meticulously cut to replace the sections that were removed. Each steel piece is carefully crafted to fit the car's frame seamlessly, leaving no gaps or misalignments. This phase calls for both technical expertise and finesse because if the steel plates aren't welded properly, they can not only compromise the car's aesthetics, but also weaken its overall structure. The technician carefully welds each joint, ensuring that the steel pieces are not just firmly attached, but also form a cohesive, strong, and durable frame. After the welding is completed, the welds are thoroughly inspected to ensure there are no gaps or weak points that could affect the quality of the restoration. Once all the new steel pieces have been welded perfectly, the car enters the rust-proof painting phase. This is one of the most crucial steps in the restoration process, as the paint not only protects the steel surface from oxidation, but also significantly extends the car's lifespan. The technician applies a thick, even coat of anti-rust paint over the newly welded steel, ensuring that the entire surface is fully covered and protected from environmental factors like rain, wind, and humidity. This layer acts as an invisible armor, shielding the car from any future rust threats. Once the rust-proof paint dries, the car will look as good as new and will be ready for the final steps of restoration. The car then moves into the surface preparation phase, where a specialized filler is applied to areas that need to be leveled. This filler helps to fill in any dents, uneven spots, or imperfections on the metal surface, creating a smooth and uniform surface before the final coat of paint. Applying the filler requires meticulous attention, with each layer carefully spread evenly to ensure that when it's sanded down, the surface will be flawless. This stage is crucial in enhancing the car's overall aesthetic, making the lines sharper and the bodywork more precise. Once the filler has completely dried, the technician uses a sanding machine to smooth the surface. Specialized sanding machines with high precision are employed to create a perfectly smooth finish, free of any scratches or uneven spots. This process requires skill and care, as even the slightest mistake could result in over-sanding or leaving visible sanding marks. This is a key step in ensuring the car's surface is as smooth as possible before the final color paint is applied. Once finished, the car will have an immaculate, smooth surface, ready for the final paint and finishing touches. The final step in the restoration process is repainting the entire car. The new coat of paint not only gives the vehicle a fresh look, but also ensures a consistent and glossy finish. Before painting, the car's surface is meticulously cleaned to ensure the paint adheres smoothly, without any flaws. The technician applies several thin layers of paint, making sure the color is evenly distributed over all surfaces. Each coat is left to dry and carefully inspected to avoid any imperfections. The final clear coat is applied to give the car a glossy shine and protect the paintwork, making the car not only look brand new, but also more durable against environmental factors. Once the paint has fully dried, the last step is reassembling the car's parts. Components like doors, mirrors, headlights, and the interior are carefully put back in place, ensuring everything fits together perfectly. The technician fairly checks each part to ensure all components function smoothly and there are no errors. Finally, after a painstaking and meticulous restoration process, the car is ready to hit the road again with a look that rivals its original condition, if not better. Thank you all for watching today's video about the restoration process of this old car. We've gone through each step together, from disassembling parts, addressing rust issues, to repainting and complete reassembling. I hope you gained useful insights and appreciated the meticulous work involved in every stage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more exciting content. Feel free to share your thoughts on this restoration process in the comments below. See you in the next videos.